Hi, I'm Kevin from agardenforthehouse.com. For dinner tonight, I'm fixing some Asian glazed chicken thighs, and I'm going to cook them in this handy dandy air fryer. This is a Ninja air fryer, and it came as a gift from my friend David. It was a birthday present, and a very nice birthday present at that. And I don't know too much about air fryers, but I do know that it cooks chicken thighs quite well and very rapidly. So first we have to make a marinade for the thighs. So let me move the camera and show you exactly what's going on. I'll try to zoom in here a little bit. There we go. So I'm going to make the marinade in this 4-quart measure. And I'm going to cheat big time. I'm going to make a teriyaki sort of marinade. So I have some teriyaki sauce from Kikkoman. And I'm going to add, about 1/4 of a cup. And I'm going to take this lid off because I don't like these lids. You can't pour. Hang on, here we go. Now we can pour. Yeah, I'm gonna do about 1/2 cup, maybe 3/4 of a cup. And then I'm going to add a couple of teaspoons of this Sambal Olek. And what it is an Asian chili paste, and it's absolutely delicious. We're going to whisk that together. Then I'm going to add, told you I was cheating big time, some already pureed garlic, about the equivalent of 2 big cloves of fresh garlic. And whisk that in. And then, since I'm not terribly organized, I have to grab my cornstarch. Cornstarch is terrific for marinades because it sort of acts as a glue. And I'm adding a heaping tablespoon to the marinade. Do you say marinade or marinade? You can let me know by leaving a comment. I say tomato, except when I say tomato. And then, let's see, do I have everything I want in here? Yes, I do. Now, here are the chicken thighs. They are skinless, boneless thighs from my supermarket. And we're simply going to pour about half of the marinade, or the marinade, over the thighs. And we're going to let them soak for about 5 minutes. Meantime, we're going to preheat this Neato air fryer. And let me move the camera so you can see all of the little buttons. I go this way. Now you have a stunning view of my dishwasher. Let me move my workstation over. Can you see? Okay. So the air fryer has this basket. It's like a 4-quart basket, and it has this little rack that fits inside. And we have to preheat the air fryer for about 3 minutes. Here we go. And I'll come back when the air fryer is preheated. Yeah, this is real bachelor cooking tonight. I'm here all by myself. Now I'm going to flip these thighs over so that each side gets nicely coated with the marinade. And I think we're ready. Yep, we're all preheated here. So I'm hitting the pause button. Out comes the basket. And by the way, this is all non-stick and dishwasher safe. And in go the thighs. So I'm going to put these, what would have been skin side up. The only bad thing about an air fryer is that you can't fit large portions in it. So it's just large enough for the 4 chicken thighs. And in they go. And we want to cook these for exactly 14 minutes, but we want to turn them over at 7 minutes. So I want to do these at 400 degrees, and we want to do 7 minutes. Here's the timer. Go down to 7, and then start. Bingo! I'll come back in at 7 minutes, and we'll flip them over. And while the air fryer is doing its thing, I'm going to chop up a couple of scallions or green onions. So I think these will make a very delicious garnish for the chicken. I'm also going to sprinkle them with sesame seeds. And that should be about enough. I'm also going to, again, cheat big time, and as a base for the chicken, I'm going to microwave some brown rice. This takes only 4 minutes to cook. So I'll pop this in the microwave and come right back. Okay, 7 minutes are up. This is what the chicken looks like. Where's the camera? Looks pretty darn good. It's certainly got brown. I'm going to flip these over with fresh, clean tongs, by the way. And then put it in for another 7 minutes. Let's see, air fry, 400. And 7 minutes. Here we go. And my rice is done. This is hot. I'm going to plate this up. And do you remember the remaining marinade? I've covered this quart measure with plastic wrap, and I'm going to put this in the microwave for about 90 seconds. It will come to a boil, and because there's cornstarch in the mix, it will thicken up and turn into a beautiful sauce or glaze. We'll be back. And here's the thickened marinade. I'm going to whisk this a little bit. You could certainly put your marinade on the stovetop if you like. I'm just trying to make things really easy tonight because it's dinner for one. And then I'm going to put this back in the microwave, for 30 seconds or so. Here we go. Yeah, I really didn't think I would need an air fryer. After all, I have so many kitchen gadgets. But my friend David told me that he uses his air fryer every day. He especially likes it for sweet potato fries. So sweet potato fries is the first thing I tried in it. And I have to tell you, I've had sweet potato fries from restaurants, and they were always mushy. So here's my sauce already. So I figured it was impossible to get crispy sweet potato fries. Lo and behold, they become crispy as anything in the air fryer. So it's a really neat gadget. And all you have to do is spray the fries with a little bit of olive oil or even non-stick vegetable spray. And the droplets of the oil in the spray are released through the hot air that blows in the air fryer. It's kind of a neat scientific thing. And we're almost ready. We have about 2 minutes. Actually, I think I'm going to check these now. It's only been 12 minutes, less than 12 minutes. So hang on, and I'm going to get my little instant read thermometer just to check. Chicken is ready at 165 degrees Fahrenheit, so let's look. Aye, 193, 188. This chicken is probably overcooked. This sucker is fast. Let me plate this up and I'll come right back. Oh yeah, this looks really, really wonderful. And here's that sauce. It has become really thick. And how easy was that to make? So I'm going to drizzle some of this gorgeous stuff. It smells terrific over the thighs. And then I'm going to sprinkle the thighs with some sesame seeds, just to give it that extra Asian touch. And then we have our scallions I can put on top. I'm going to throw some on the rice too. I really love scallions. Let me show you. This is my dinner tonight. The scallions are my green vegetable. And of course, we have to have a taste. To your health. The temperature said it was overcooked, but it's really nice. It's crispy on the outside and it's still juicy on the inside. How about that? Okay, I'm going to head upstairs and polish this off. And I just wanted to say that if you work outside of the home and your habit is to maybe go to a fast food joint, you might want to get yourself an air fryer because you can make a delicious recipe. What was this? 12 minutes, less than 12 minutes to make. And again, it's really delicious. There's no sacrificing of flavor. You can have an elegant meal in no time at all. And for very little money, I should add. So let me know if you'd like to see more air fryer recipes from me. Probably not going to do a whole heck of a lot of them because I still use my oven and my stovetop. Anyway, I'll see you soon with another recipe. Bye for now.